Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for December 7th to the 19th. Much of the nation is expected to be cold for December 7th to the 11th due to a positively tilted trough here that we see across the western U.S. This is European and it shows a negatively tilted trough in the west. Extreme northern plains may experience values of 40 degrees below normal. A system tracking through the west will bring precipitation to the region and eventually to the Ohio Valley, Northeast, and Mid Atlantic. Heavy rain is possible across the lower Mississippi Valley and Ohio valleys to the central Appalachians over the weekend and early next week. Okay, we're looking at the period now for December 10th to the 14th. And the models depict a strong ridge forecast near the Bering Sea. A trough is forecast over Alaska, and a deep positively tilted trough is forecast to dominate the central U.S. A ridge with positive height anomalies is forecast over the southeast. So this is European. We're going to go forward in time. You see the trough tries to move slightly east. And you can see we have our ridge here across the southeast, Florida. Here we are on the 9th. Then we go ahead. This is 138 hours. It's over the central U.S. This is on the 10th. And you can see it eventually moves east. We have a fast southwest flow here across the eastern U.S. Now, we're going to go to the European. The European has still the trough here at the initial time of the period, and then we go forward. And here's the 10th, or this is the 11th. We have a trough here, kind of like a little ridge building here over the Eastern Pacific. And the GFS kind of varies as we get further into the period. So during this forecast time, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures for much of the nation, except here for the southeast, where above normal temperatures are for precipitation. Looking for above normal precipitation here across this area, below normal precipitation here. Now we're going to go look at the period for December 15th to the 19th. Ensembles forecast a retrogression of the ridge over the Bering Sea, a trough forecast over the Alaska Panhandle, and a deification of the pattern for December 15th to the 19th. The GFS has a ridge in the west and a trough in the east. So we're going to go forward in time now. This is for 15th to 19th. Here we are at 16th. We have a little bit of ridge here, a trough here. The other models, let's see what they're showing. This is GFS ensembles. See the trough here moving eastward in the center U.S. With the GFS stumbles more of a zonal flow here compared to its operational run. The operational run has a ridge in the east, a ridge in the west, and a trough in the east. But we expect the negative height anomalies across the northern U.S. and near to slightly above normal heights across the southern U.S. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures for this area for precipitation, forecasting above normal precipitation for the northwest, and below normal precipitation for this area here. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for December 7th and 19th. Thanks for coming, Jim, on this World of Weather, and have a good day.